Hey guys, my name is Rayona and welcome to my channel. This hair is from the ZRQ store on Amazon and it comes with a crochet hook. The locks are 18 inches, synthetic, and a 3-tone color consisting of 1B, 30, and 27, and it comes with 8 packs of hair for a total of 128 locks. The locks are also pre-looped, and here's a close-up of them transitioning to different colors. And as you can see, the curls are a little frizzy. And some of the locks come with 3 curly strands of hair, one at the top, middle, and bottom, while others only come with 2, one at the top and one at the bottom. And before I begin crocheting my hair, I braid it into individual braids. It took me roughly 5 hours to braid my hair into about 80 individual braids. And while doing so, I used Shine and Jam on my roots and Cream of Nature argan oil throughout my braids and on the ends of them to create small curls. So to start crocheting my hair, I insert the crochet hook underneath the start of my braid. And I attach my lock to the hook, close it, and pull the lock a couple inches through. Then I remove the hook, open up the pre-loop, and I pull my braid and lock through together. I tighten the knot by pulling on my braid and lock. Next, I insert the crochet hook a few inches down from the start of the lock in the center of it, and I make my way to the top. Then I push my hook all the way through and attach the middle or end of my braid to it, and then I pull my braid through the lock. I also twist the lock around the braid to better hide the braid and to tighten the lock around it as well. Then I just repeat those steps until the braid is all the way hidden in the lock. And to me, it's easier to do this crochet method when your hair color is similar to the lock color, because even if you don't hide the braid all the way, no one can really tell. It's not noticeable. So guys, this is how my hair turned out, and it took me about 5 hours to crochet the hair. I used a little over 5 packs of hair as well, so I have about 3 left. And I think these locks are pretty easy to crochet this way because they're soft and lightweight. And I got a lot of compliments on this style too, but the curls did tangle and frizz up a little, especially in the back. But goddess faux locks are one of my favorite go-to styles, especially in the summer. And let me know what you guys thought of this hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.